What's going on, guys? I want to show you guys how I scalped NVIDIA options today for $1,000. And even though it was a great trade, I left a ton of money on the table, and I kind of want to outline for that for everyone, right? So what we're looking at here is NVIDIA starting off on the hourly time frame. Now, we know we had some extended selling as of last week, so we could have been looking at a potential dead cat bounce. We always want to be ready on both sides of the market. I had a very clear short position for NVIDIA if it confirmed, never did. Again, before I get started into showing you guys the overall setup, if you guys can do me a favor, like, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel. If you do, just let me know everything's working, the audio's working. You know, you guys can see my charts clearly. Also, guys, if you want access to that private mentorship community with me at Evolution Traders, definitely that link's down in the description box below. Take advantage to go ahead and do that. But what we're looking at here is we can see the lows at 407.64. So what I like to do in the morning time is I like to kind of mark these out. Now, my chart was very bare today. All I had was the 20, the 200, as well as the linear regression on here. I can go ahead and take this off. This is a level that I was looking at later on in the day. But you can see the first hour candle, the market opened up the first hour candle. What I was realistically looking for was to kind of get over these pre-market highs here, that 415 area. Now I went ahead and I did take the 415 strikes. If I would have held these all day, it was going to be a massive win. But again, you know, beggars can't be choosers. You're not always going to catch the whole move. So all I was realistically looking for here was to get in on the confirmation on the 1 hour time frame over the pre-market highs, over this 20 SMA, and you can see it goes from a price of 415 all the way up to 419. Now I kind of want to show you guys quickly, you know, why I was looking to scale out and why I was looking to sell. If we also look at the 5-minute time frame here, notice how the 5-minute time frame starts to confirm over this 200 SMA here, starts to get over this 413, starts to really push up towards this 416. If you notice, our next area of supply was sitting here at 423. So on this run up here, I tried to just sell into this next area of supply here. Again, I did not hold it all the way through, getting in at that 415 price area. Why was I getting in on this 415 area? Because that's the area that started to confirm this 20 SMA play over the 20, over the 200. And I knew that once this started to get going, we had some room to start pushing into those 420s, low 420s, 421, 422. And I just quickly sold on the way up. Now, again, very, very early sale because we never, you know, really even came back to back test the 200. We got up here into this range at the linear regression, kind of put in a high, pulled back to it, and then continue to trade all the way up to a high price of 432. But it is what it is. I'm still going to be happy with the trade. Again, if you guys want to get access to the daily live trading, the community, the watch list, the you know, trading with everyone else, access to my calendar so you can book one-on-one coaching calls, join the private mentorship at evolutiontraders.com. That link is going to be down in the description, but I just kind of wanted to quickly highlight on how I traded personally NVIDIA to the long side. And although it was a winner, I did not catch as much as I would have liked to catch on it. But again, that's the name of the game, where we can be, you know, right on our bias, right on our entry. But again, you know, those emotionals, they kind of just, they get to you. Once you see yourself go that much profitable in the green, sometimes you pull that trigger finger and you get out of the trade way too early. Still something even 8.5 years later, trading that I need to work on is obviously holding those trades or even holding a runner, right? But again, when you are happy with the gains, you got to be happy with the gains and just kind of walk away and not chase it later on in the day. Hope this video kind of helps you guys. Love to see all of you guys on the inside joining, taking advantage and joining that private mentorship at Evolution Traders. That link's down below. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all next time.